Hello students, let's try to understand the preparation and chemical properties of phenol student. This is the preparation and chemical properties of phenol. So student, you must be knowing what do you mean by phenol? What is the structure of phenol? That you must be knowing. So here the compound student, hydroxyl substituted benzene, that is what is called phenol. This structure is called student phenol, right? This is the phenol. Now, student, what we need to understand in this case, we have to understand that is how this can be prepared, student. We have to, first of all, we have to understand the preparation of the phenol. So there are many methods are there, student, for the preparation. So let us try to understand preparation of phenol. So what are the methods of preparation of phenol, student? There are 5 methods, especially we study, student. There are many more are there. First method, that is from, if you are going, student, from chlorobenzene. This is what the method from chlorobenzene. This we can prepare from chlorobenzene. How can you prepare, a student? First of all, let us see the structure of chlorobenzene. This is what is, student, that is Cl. Now you treat with the NaOH, student. If you are treating with the NaOH, it is going to give, student, sodium phenoxide. This is what is called ONA. Now, what you need to do, student, this one you treat with the HCl. Okay. Now, this reaction you can see, student, this is going to form the NaCl is going to be out, student. So here is the product will be, that is NaCl is out, student. So what is going to be left out, student? That is the left one is what? Phenol. So here is, this is the phenol, student. So first one reaction which we study, student, preparation of phenol from the chlorobenzene. Next one we are having, a student, from benzene sulfonic acid. This is what the compound from benzene sulfonic acid. How we prepare from the benzene sulfonic acid, student? See the structure of benzene sulfonic acid. This is benzene, and here we are adding the SO3H. Now, student, the same way you have to convert into the sodium phenoxide. So by treating with the NaOH, so it is giving the sodium phenoxide. And finally, you just hydrolyze with the H plus, student, from the HCl. What it is going to give, student? What it is going to give? Here will be, that is OH plus what will be that? NaCl will be out, student. Okay. So better, in spite of writing H plus, you can mention here the HCl, student. So here is NaCl is out, and this is going to be the phenol, student. This was the second method. Now, if you are talking about the third method, student, from where we can prepare? From aniline, student, or the benzene diazonium chloride. Better we can say, student, benzene diazonium chloride. It is the simplest method, student, to prepare the uh, phenol from benzene diazonium chloride. Just what you need to do, student, you need to heat warm with the warm water. You need to treat the diazonium chloride. So H2O we are taking, student, and we are taking the warm. So what it is going to give, student, this is converting into the phenol. Directly it is giving the phenol, student. Then N2 it will give, a student, and HCl will be also. Next one is the quite important, student. The fourth one is from cumene, student, from cumene. So if you see the cumene, student, what is the structure of cumene? This is, student, isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene is called, student, cumene. Also, isopropyl benzene is called cumene. So here we are mentioning the structure of, first of all, the structure is important here. So here is the C, student. This side we are mentioning H, and this is, here is the CH3, and this is also CH3. This is isopropyl benzene. That is also, its name is what, student? That is called cumene, student. CUMENE. You treat this molecule with the oxygen, student. So it is going to give cumene peroxide, student. This is going to give cumene peroxide. So here is C, this is the oxygen, here is oxygen, this is going to be H, and upside this is the CS3, and here is also going to be CS3. This is what is called, student, cumene peroxide. Peroxide. Now, what we are going to do is, student, just heat it. If you are heating it, this one molecule, so it will be splitting like that, right? So what is left here, if the acetone is going to be out, student, so here is the compound is OH, that is phenol, plus CH3, C double bond O, and CH3 is wow. This is what is phenol. So four method is there, student. Another method is there from salicylic acid also we can prepare the student from salicylic acid. So let us try to understand from salicylic acid. From salicylic salicylic, CYLIC, student, salicylic acid. So what is the salicylic acid, student? If you know the structure, this is there, student. Here is OH is there, there is student. Here is C double OH. What you need to do, student, you treat the NaOH and CaO. Okay. So here this will convert directly, student, OH, and here is Na2CO3. This is something called, student, decarboxylation. Okay, decarboxylation. So this is all about the method of preparation of phenol. There are the 6 method of preparation of phenol, student, right? Now, in the next video, we are going to study the chemical properties of phenol, student. Thank you very much for watching, students.